Hey, what's up, you guys? BU-1 Cyrus here. I'm not gonna be able to do videos for quite a long. Actually, let me rephrase that. My tablet is having battery problems, so it's gonna have to stay on the charger now. I think it still has battery problems, but I just updated the software on it, so I'll have to test that out. But I can't really rely on it anymore, so from now on I'm just gonna start doing videos on my phone. But my phone's better quality anyway, so yeah. Finally got the stuff for it, the video editor and screen recorder and whatnot. So I did screen record the intro, the one that I just made. So that's why it's gonna look a little weird, because I screen recorded it from a video. It'll still be the same intro, it'll just look a little weird. Because this time I screen recorded onto the phone so that the phone can have it, because I can't really put video from an Android device onto an iPhone. So yeah. Anyway, I did say that we would do like a what's inside of the sub, and then do a bit of a bass test. Well, here it is. I got it hooked up to my tablet. I'm gonna do some bass tests. Here's a song I would usually use for blowouts, but yeah, I doubt this song will blow up the sub because of the amp. The energy made more motor noise. Didn't like it. This guy wasn't made for excursion. It's supposed to add bass to the system. It's not made for excursion. It's only moving this much. I guess we'll do a freer one too. Let's do woofer cooker. Frequency response is somewhat uneven on this thing, but this is all I got right now, so. There we go, some more excursion. Jeez. It's an 8-inch, so it seems smaller than it actually is. Pretty big port. Did that Distorio or not? Chill. Nice. Let's do some bass. I Love You Too. Yeah, the energy let its own driver go lower. Or maybe there's just a frequency response thing. Yeah, I still won't allow much. So Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna start getting this thing apart and we'll see what's on the inside. And then I'll get back to you from there. We'll do a free air base test too. Kinda weird that this thing only has like 4 screws, even though it's an 8-inch. That's kinda stupid, but it's got like a paper or a fabric dust cap with a paper cone, but it all has this coating on it. And it's got a foam surround. Not sure if it's cured or not. I hope it's cured because I don't want foam rot. I don't want to deal with this stupid foam rot. Looks like I didn't do too on the surround, but oh well. Let's see what's inside of it. There we go. Whoa! That's huge. Cool. That's one huge magnet. This is actually bigger than the one on the energy. Like, this is my hand compared to it. Just wow. My thumb. I don't know why they rated it for only 50 watts. But this thing's more. There you go, upside down. Cool. Let's turn it back on. Get some more bass. Jeez. Whoa. Yeah, I hear it too. There's something weird in it. Yeah, this thing's kind of thin too. Alright, I'm turning it off just now. See how warm that voice coil is. The dust cap doesn't seem warm. Let's check this magnet. No, magnet's not that warm either. But hey, you see that big voice coil in there. Let's see it compared to my hand, if I can even get it up to it. That's my index finger. It's like, I can fit like 3 or 4 of my index fingers to the width of that coil. Cool. But yeah, that's how big that coil is. But yeah. And even though that's a huge magnet, still got an excursion hump. I don't know what those actually are called, those humps like that, but I just call them excursion humps because that's what they do. They allow extra excursion. Although this woofer doesn't really like it. Let's see what that says. Speaker impedance, minimum of 4 ohms. That's all I can get off that thing. Let's see what the woofer itself says. Screenshot that if you want, look it up, whatever. Cool. Alright, well that was a more like a more in-depth look at my sub, my new sub anyway. Cool. I know y'all probably not going to want excursion tests on this one because this woofer is not much for excursion, just for bass. My energy, when it came to bass tests and excursion tests, my energy actually was better when it came to that. But it just had an amp issue that I couldn't really fix. My stepdad refused to kind of fix it for a while. And I was kind of looking for an upgrade anyway, so I decided to just go ahead and get a new sub. Now this sub is not really an upgrade. It's either an ever so slight downgrade or it's just the same. Like it still works to my standards. But like I said, I've been looking for kind of an upgrade. But this is all I get for right now. This is probably the best sub I can find for a good deal. So this is all I got. Oh well. And because of where it was, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to put it back. But yeah. I'm also gonna tell you real quickly, I'm not gonna really tell you all about it until I get it, but I do plan on getting a couple things from Dollar General. Like 2 things from, hang on, sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, I had to make sure my brother wasn't home because he quit his job, but I don't know, but he just left the house today. I don't know what he's doing, but I can't really go to Dollar General because I don't know when he's coming back anyway. Kind of surprised he's been gone for this long. I don't know where he went, when he's coming back, whatever. And also because of the weather. We had quite a couple of thunderstorms yesterday. And then last night, especially at around 12, we had another like thunderstorm, and then once 12:30 came around, a severe thunderstorm came in and just started, and then it was still going quite strong when it woke me up at like 5:30. Where are my subs apart together now? So yeah. Oh well. So if you want bass tests of the sub with certain songs, then you send me the link for those songs, and I'll try to do it as soon as I can. But I know you're probably not gonna want them bass tests because when it comes to bass and excursion tests, like I said, this sub's not really good for that. It's just good for giving me bass in my home theater system. And that's the only thing I missed my energy for was these bass tests. The energy had a lot more excursion, even though it was meant more for it though. Anyways, like I said, I do notice that my subscriber count is getting closer and closer to 70. And I did say my next subscriber special is going to be at around 70. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Dollar General when I can and get those couple things I plan on getting. And then yeah, and one of them will be quite something to for the special. Now I'm not going to reveal what it is because I don't even have it yet. I decided to go to Dollar General and get it all, but I'll make a trailer about it like I did with the last one. It'll be a surprise. But that's all I'm going to tell you for that one. Anyway. So hopefully my older brother will get a job soon, so I can actually do it all. Otherwise, I better hope I don't get to 70 subscribers until, yeah. Oh well. Anyway, enough talk. I think we're about done here, so make sure to punch that like and subscribe button like a boss. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to stay tuned for more great videos to come. And keep in mind, I will be trying to record from my phone from now on because it's higher quality. It's about time I switch anyway. I finally got the editing stuff for and whatnot. And I can't trust the tablet anymore, so yeah. But yeah, see you on the next vid.